Hello, dear students. Welcome to your favorite channel, PBN Science Study. I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade.
Hello dear students, we know that Asteraceae is very important family. In this video we are going to study economic importance of some of plants belonging to Asteraceae family one by one. This is very important plant belonging to Asteraceae family, commonly known as sunflower. Botanical name of this plant is Helianthus annuus. This is the plant of Helianthus annuus and these are the seeds of sunflower plant. This is the oil produced from the seeds of sunflower. This plant is cultivated as crop as well as it is also cultivated as ornamental plant for its large showy head-like inflorescence. Edible oil is extracted from the seeds. Crushed seeds are used as poultry food. Oil cake is also used as fodder. The flowers are used medicinally in the treatment of asthma, bronchitis and pulmonary infection. Then this is another important plant of Asteraceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Carthamus tinctorius. Common English name is safflower and in Marathi it is called as curdy. This is the photograph of actual plant where we can see the leaves with the spines as well as the yellow colored head-like inflorescence here. These are the seeds of the plant and this is the oil which is extracted from the seeds of the plant, which is also available in the market. Here the name Saphola is due to the name of the plant safflower. Carthamus tinctorius plant produce edible oil which is having low cholesterol value and which is obtained from the seeds of this plant. Pink dye is obtained from the flower for dyeing cotton and silk fibers. The flowers of the plant are also used as tonic to liver and medicine on inflammation and bronchitis. Then this is third important plant of Asteraceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Lectusa sativa, commonly known as salad or lettuce. This is the actual photograph of the plant and this is the inflorescence of the plant. The leaves of the plant are used as salad. The leaves are sweet in taste and improve appetite and also used for the purification of blood. Then this is another important plant of Asteraceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Eclipta alba. In Marathi it is called as Maca plant. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the roots of the plant. And this is inflorescence of Maca plant. This is the hair oil which is obtained from the leaves as well as the roots of the Maca plant. The hair oil obtained from the leaves is supposed to promote hair growth. The plant yields good medicine on bronchitis, asthma and other diseases. Then this is very familiar plant to you. Botanical name of the plant is Tagetes erecta and Tagetes patula. This is the photograph of Tagetes erecta. In Marathi it is called as Jhendu. English name of the plant is marigold. And this is another variety of the Tagetes. The species is patula. So this is Tagetes erecta and this is Tagetes patula. Dear friends, as you know that this is ornamental plant cultivated for its showy inflorescence. It is also used for decoration and preparation of garlands. Then this is next Asteraceae family member. Botanical name of the plant is Vernonia anthelmintica. It is a common weed. You might have seen this plant. These are the leaves of the plant and this is inflorescence and these are the seeds of the plant. This is a common weed. The seeds are antihelminthic, which means that it kills the helminth. Due to this property, the name of the species is Antihelminthica. It is also purgative, as well as it is used in the treatment of asthma, inflammation, and it is also useful for the treatment of paralysis. Then the next important plant is Ageratum conizioides. This is also common weed. It is also known as goat weed. This plant is very much common in Konkan region of Maharashtra. Common weed is used in skin diseases as well as leprosy. These are the leaves of the plant and these are the inflorescences. Then this is very interesting and medicinally important plant. Botanical name of the plant is Spailanthus acmella. In Marathi it is called as Akkalkara. This is actual photograph of the plant and this is the inflorescence and leaves of the plant. These are the flower heads possesses medicinal properties. Flower heads when chewed cause profuse salivation and relieve toothache. If possible, please taste the flower heads of Spailanthus acmella. It is very good experience. Then this is also familiar plant to you. Botanical name of the plant is Triodex procumbens. This is actual photograph of the common weed. This is the inflorescence of the plant. Here the species name is procumbens because on the stem as well as on the leaves we can see the small hair-like structures and so it is described as procumbens. This is very common weed used as an antiseptic for healing wounds. In Marathi, it is also known as Dagadpala as well as Zakham Jodi and Tantani. Then this is very beautiful flower of Asteraceae family member. Botanical name of the plant is Dahlia pinnata. It is commonly known as Dahlia. As you can see here, this plant produces very beautiful flowers and so the Dahlia plant is cultivated as an ornamental plant. Dahlia shows very brightly colored inflorescences as you can see here. Then this is another very important beautiful flower of Asteraceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Calendula officinalis, commonly known as Calendula plant. This is also ornamental plant cultivated for its colorful showy head-like inflorescence. This is very beautiful inflorescence of Calendula. As you can see here, these are the ray florets and here we can see the disc florets. It is also used commercially as cut flowers for making floral arrangements. Then another very beautiful flower of Asteraceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Chrysanthemum morifolium. There are so many different species of Chrysanthemum genus. Here we can see very beautiful inflorescence, that is head or the capitulum inflorescence. It is also cultivated for its very beautiful variously colored inflorescences. Then this is Aster amelius. In aster also there are so many different species. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the leaves of the plant and these are the inflorescences of aster. Here also you can see aster ray florets and aster disc florets. This is also ornamental plant cultivated for its beautiful inflorescences. Then this is very much familiar plant to you. Botanical name of the plant is Gerbera jamisoni, commonly known as Gerbera plant. These are the actual photographs of the Gerbera plant. It is also cultivated in greenhouses. As you can see here, these are the leaves of the plant and this is the very beautiful colored inflorescences. These colorful showy heads are also used commercially as cut flowers for making various floral arrangements. Dear friends, with this we have completed various economically important plant of Asteraceae family. Thank you.